Hello, bookers, lookers, jokers, and onlookers. Today I will be doing my straightening my beard. I will be utilizing two heat elements. Good old trusty blow dryer with comb adapter and Willie's beard straightener. I have used it, but I want to show what it does. Took a shower, let my beard dry, sprayed some heat treatment. Darn it. Some sleek iron straight heat spray for heat protection. Not advertising, but that's what I used today. Sometimes I like to use the mango butter, which is also good for heat treatment, or just anything in general that I can get my hands on that keeps my beard protected from the heat. So I'm gonna start out with this blow dryer. You're supposed to comb it first. This has a comb on it, so I'm gonna do two things at one time and see what happens. Show you what the product looks like. Then I'm gonna go to the new beard straightener. Start off with my heat comb from there. Because it makes weird faces. I have coarse hair, so I like to use high heat. As you can see, it starts straightening it out. When you see me pause with this, it's basically because it's going through a cooling cycle. And I do make weird faces while tangling my beard. Untangling this, You see it start doing a nice job. Now I haven't went up to this direction, but let's see what happens. Not bad. Pretty decent. I can go out the house like this. Put one of my pomades in it. Usually some Uncle John's. That is a shameless plug. Uncle John's out of Berlin, Maryland. Makes awesome products. I love anything with the smell of pipe tobacco on it. But that's basically what I got with the blow dryer. Presentable. Don't look too crazy, but I'm gonna spray another little bit more protectant on it. Be on the safe side. As I run the Uncle Willie's through it. Then I do put an oil in it to keep it moisturized, keep my skin moisturized also. So now let's run this Uncle Willie's beard straightener through it. I got it on the max settings. It has 3 settings. I got it on the third, which is supposed to be 400 degrees, I think. Then use this thing about 3 or 4 times fooling with it. Smoking a little bit, that's because the product is stuck on there. But let's see the difference. You can already see it, like butter. So look how it laid down compared to this side I haven't touched. So I'll come back and I'll actually go in another direction to get 100% of what I'm trying to do. If it was something quick and I left it drop straight down like this, like a curtain, but I tend to blow mine out, because that's what I do, aka Black Santa. Now I'm gonna start from the bottom. Ooh. If it don't burn you, you definitely feel the heat. And look how it's just landing that new growth because this is my new stuff. I just started growing that past few weeks. Try to go for a fuller look. And there you go. Got them BBs pretty good. And BBs that taco meat. Then I'm gonna come back down in the direction that I want it. And that's it. No time at all. So that's the Wild Willie's beard straightener compared to a simple comb attachment with blow dry heat. This is usually how I wear my beard. Like so. Gained about 1.5 inches in length. That's the end product. So, I haven't tried any other Wild Willie's products, but if they send them, hint, hint, I'll definitely try it. So, this is the end of this video. Until next time, until the next thing I can come up with, which will probably be smoking a cigar, because I know I haven't been posting lately. This is it. Have a good day.